Are you stuck choosing between Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken in 2025? With crypto evolving faster than ever, picking the right exchange is crucial, whether you're a casual buyer or a daily trader. Today, we're doing a full breakdown of these three titans to help you decide which is best for you this year. Let's dive in. Let's start with a quick overview. Binance is the largest exchange globally by trading volume. It's known for low fees, advanced features, and a wide range of coins. Coinbase is the most beginner-friendly, especially in the US, with a clean interface and strong regulatory standing. Kraken combines robust security with professional tools and is favored by many long-term investors. When it comes to supported coins, Binance clearly leads, offering over 350 plus cryptos. Coinbase has fewer, focusing on compliance, with around 250 assets. Kraken sits in the middle with around 200. If you're into altcoins or new project launches, Binance is the go-to. But for quality over quantity, Coinbase and Kraken filter strictly. Now let's talk money. Fees. Binance, 0.1% spot trading fee, even lower if you use BNB. Coinbase, higher retail fees, up to 1.49% or more. Coinbase Advanced offers competitive rates, but still above Binance. Kraken, reasonable, starts at 0.26% maker and 0.16% taker. So if you're trading frequently, Binance and Kraken are much more cost-efficient. Coinbase wins on ease of use. It's clean, modern, and great for first-timers. Binance can feel overwhelming at first, but has a light mode for beginners. Kraken's interface is functional, but feels more technical, best suited for users who already know their way around an exchange. In 2025, security and compliance matter more than ever. Kraken, known for being one of the most secure platforms, never been hacked. Coinbase, publicly listed, heavily regulated in the US, offers FDIC-insured USD balances. Binance has improved security protocols but still faces regulatory challenges in certain jurisdictions. Verdict: Kraken and Coinbase win on security and compliance, but Binance is catching up. Support quality varies. Coinbase has improved with 24/7 live chat but can still be slow. Kraken offers strong support with a professional tone. Binance relies more on bots and FAQs, though support has gotten faster. For urgent help, Kraken tends to have the edge. Coinbase is unbeatable for fiat on-ramps, bank transfer, card, PayPal, you name it. Kraken also supports a wide range of fiat currencies. Binance varies by region, but generally offers fewer fiat options, so if fiat access matters to you, Coinbase or Kraken might be better suited. Looking for pro tools? Binance offers futures, margin, leverage tokens, grid trading, and more. Kraken also supports futures and margin, but in a more conservative way. Coinbase Advanced, better than before, but still less versatile than the others. Binance is the clear choice for advanced traders. In 2025, earning passive income is a must. Binance Earn, huge variety, staking, savings, launch pool, dual investments. Coinbase supports ETH, Sol, ADA staking, but fewer choices. Kraken, great for staking with solid APYs but fewer flexible options than Binance. So, if earning yield is your goal, Binance and Kraken both deliver. Accessibility is key. Coinbase, available in 100 plus countries, very US focused. Binance operates globally but faces restrictions in some regions. Kraken, also global, with good availability in Europe and the US. Bottom line, check your country's regulations before choosing. Let's summarize. Binance pros: lowest fees, widest features, altcoin access. Cons: regulatory risk can be complex. Coinbase pros: beginner-friendly, secure, fiat support. Cons: high fees, fewer coins. Kraken pros: excellent security, staking, pro tools. Cons: interface less friendly, slower onboarding. So, which is best? New to crypto? Coinbase is your best friend. Want advanced features and low fees? Binance leads. Prioritize security and regulatory strength? Kraken shines. It all depends on your goals. Let us know in the comments, what's your pick in 2025? If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss our next crypto guide. And don't forget to check the links below for sign-up bonuses and tools to help your crypto journey. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.